I will share 3 tips which I use to make this same level almost 2 times faster. First trick is to block out your entire level. This will help you get an idea of your level's scale so that you exactly know what should be the size of each asset. I skipped this step during the first attempt and the assets turned out too small, that's what she said, and the player wouldn't fit through the door. So I had to go back to Blender and fix the scale of the houses, which costed me a lot of time. Second tip is to use modular assets. Creating an entire mesh at once can be quicker if the number of assets you're using is small, but when you're making bigger levels, making so many different assets can be very time consuming. The solution is creating modular assets. For our level, I created a wall with a window, a door, and a roof. This did take some extra time, but it turned making assets into Lego. I placed all the assets in order and made this house. And the best part is, it's very easy to create very different assets using the same pieces. I made this bigger house in like 2 minutes. Another benefit of using modular assets is that you can keep a consistent art style while also having a lot of variety. These houses look different, but you can easily tell they're from the same neighborhood. One more benefit is flexibility. Now you can either set up every building in your modeling software or you can do it in the engine itself. But this forest looked very empty without any vegetation, so I decided to place some trees. The next tip is to use tools created by others. Good game devs do everything by themselves, but the best ones use tools created by others and save their own time. So I use this plugin called Godot's Scattershot. Enable this plugin. Then you can go to your level, hit Ctrl A and search for Scattershot. You can also have a look at the GitHub page of the plugin to see a detailed guide on how to use this plugin. It places objects in the world procedurally, which saved me from placing these trees by hand, which took very long the first time I did it. So I tried creating the same map twice. First without using any of these tips, which took me a total of 50 minutes. And again while using these tips, which took me around 35 minutes. That's a 15 minutes difference, which is a lot when you realize you'll be making a lot of levels for your game. Consider subscribing to the channel if you like this video and join my Patreon if you want to support me.